Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fishaholic. Today I'm going to discuss about prawn culture, which is very important for your ICR fisheries PG exam and other fisheries related exam. Before starting a video, it's a request. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment on my videos. So let's start with the introduction. So in introduction, the freshwater farming is started in India in 1990, whereas in world it is emerged in 1960. So our marine shrimp are grown in earthen pond located in coastal areas of the country with tropical and subtropical climates, whereas freshwater prawns are commonly inhabits the Indian lake reservoirs, ponds and low salinity areas. The freshwater prawn attain a good size in a relatively less time, which means it can attain a good size in some months only. Next is freshwater species. So freshwater species of prawn are Macrobranchium rosenbergi, which is also known as giant river prawn, giant freshwater prawn, and the Macrobranchium melasconi, which is river prawn. Macrobranchium birenicum is Macrobranchium rudi, and Macrobranchium id, which is pond prawn, which is found in ponds only. Next is classification of freshwater prawn, which is Macrobranchium rosenbergi. So kingdom is Animalia, phylum is Arthropoda, subphylum Crustacea, class Melostraca, order Decapoda, suborder Pleocymata, infraorder Caridae, subfamily Palaenoideae, family Palaenoideae, subfamily Palaenoini, and genus Macrobranchium, species rosenbergi, which is, as I told, giant river prawn. So next we will see the identity and the morphology of Macrobranchium rosenbergi. So the adult Macrobranchium rosenbergi can easily be identified from other species in the genus by following characters. So adult male has a pair of very long legs which is called as chelipeds. The rostrum is long and bent in the middle with the 11 to 13 dorsal teeth and 8 to 10 ventral teeth. So on the rostrum it is like this. It is bent from the rostrum, and here you find 11 to 13 teeth, whereas here 8 to 10 teeth like structures present on the rostrum. The movable finger of the legs of adult male is covered by a dense mat of spongy fur. Distinct black bands on the dorsal side at the junction of abdominal segments are present. So on the abdominal segments the black bands are present on the dorsal side. Next is life cycle. In prawn life cycle, four distinct phases come under: egg, larva, zoea, post larva, and the adult. Female start to lay egg about 5 to 6 hours after mating. So after 5 to 6 hours there is a laying of eggs. As eggs excluded, they are fertilized by the sperm attached to the exterior of the female. So in buried female, there the eggs are laid after the mating of 5 to 6 hours, and the sperm is present from the male, and the fertilization occur after female lay the egg. So embryonic development, how the embryonic development happened. So we will see here. The egg development begins with the successful mating between ripened egg, females and the mature males. So ripened female are generally called as buried female. Incubation of fertilized eggs take place between 18 to 21 days depending on the temperature, which is 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. This is the optimal temperature in which the 18 to 21 days are taken for the incubation of the fertilized egg. The number of eggs carried by a female depends on her size, varies from 3000 to 80,000. According to the size, there is a difference between the number of eggs. Next is larva development. So newly hatched larvae require brackish water within 1 to 2 days, and or they will die. So for freshwater prawn, there is a need of brackish water for 1 to 2 days after the newly hatched larva. As the larva molt, they not only increase in size but also increase in complexity, with new body feature appearing at each stage. There are 11 distinct larval stages, and it takes about 21 to 35 days for larva to complete these 11 stages to become a post larva. The changes from the larva form to post larva form is called as metamorphosis. So, as you can see, the newly hatched larva require a brackish water, and when the larva molt, they not only increase in size but also increase in complexity. So it means कि उनमें जो it means that जो भी new organs हैं, body features हैं, जो भी वो इन stages में develop होते हैं, और ये जो stages होती है वो 11 distinct larval stages होती है, which takes about 22 to 35 days for larva to complete this 11 stages to become a post larva. And this larva changes changes which occur in larva to form a post larva, it is called as metamorphosis process. Next, you can see the key for the identification of larva stages of Macrobranchium rosenbergi. As you can see, the larva stages is given here, and the age and the recognized characters. So here you can see key identification. Okay, so first larval stage, you can see age is 1 day, sessile eyes are present. On second day or second larval stage, you can see after 2 days, stalked eyes present. Third stage is present between 3 to 4 days, uropods are present. Fifth larval stage is present between 4 to 6 days, 2 dorsal teeth are present. Fifth stage is present between 5th to 8th day, tail shell narrow and elongated. On the 6th stage, it will take 7 to 10 days, and the pleopod bud present. On 7th stage, 11 to 17 days are taken. Pleopods are biramous. Biramous means the pleopods are in two parts, divided into two parts. On 8th stage, it will take 13 to 20 days, pleopods with stye. On the 9th day, 15 to 21 days are taken, endopods of pleopods with the appendix interni. Sorry. On the 10th day, it will take about 17 to 21 days, or the 3 to 4 dorsal teeth on the rostrum present. And the 11th day, it will take 23 to 35 days, and the teeth on the half of upper dorsal margin is present. And the final stage are post larva. These 11 stage are metamorphosed into a post larva, which show adult behavior, and it will take about 23 to 35 days. So these are very important for your ICR exam, as so many questions are asked in how many days the fourth larva is seen, or the 3-4 dorsal teeth are appeared in which stage, or the post larva stage is taken in take how many days to be occur. So as you can see, the larva stages of the prawn. Here you can see larva stages of prawn. Next is food and feeding habits of larva. So larva are carnivorous. Carnivorous means they eat the live and newly hatched brine shrimp, or Isochrysis brown algae, which is of size 3 to 5 mm, Chaetoceros diatom, which is of size 4 to 6 mm, green algae, which is size of 10 to 15 mm. Food and feeding habit of juveniles and adult prawns. So Juvenile and adult prawn are termed as omnivorous. They feed on the wide variety of food items such as aquatic worms, insects, and their larvae, small mollusks and crustacean, flesh, and offal of fish and other animals, grain, nuts, seeds, fruits, algae, tender leaves, and stems of aquatic plant. In culture medium, artificial feed also used for food. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. The next part will come very soon, so don't forget to subscribe.